Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Calendly link. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and send a Calendly booking page to an individual in order to set up an appointment with you. How do you go ahead and know which link to actually send them or get that link? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you see here is that when you log onto your Calendly account, you have like a central booking page, which is this URL here, and then you have the individual booking pages. So what you can do is that you can either send them your universal booking page, but I wouldn't recommend doing this just because this is where all of your events are going to appear. But if you want to just send them this one-off meeting booking page, you can click on copy link and send them this link so that now they'll be redirected directly to this page. Or you can click on share and you can share the link by copying this and sending it to them. And then in addition to that, if you don't want all of your meetings to appear on this central page here, you could actually toggle event types on and off by clicking on the event type and then clicking on the toggle on or off button. So what this means is that this event will now be inactive or this event will now be on. What you see here is that the event is still on, but it's not available to the public. Now, in order to do that is that you would just click on edit and then click on the gear icon on the upper left hand side and then click on make public, or you can actually make it a secret. So if you make it a secret, the event is still active, but only people can view that link if they have the link privately. It's not going to be available to the public. But that is how to get your Calendly link. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.